Hey, this is gonna be day 5 of my social workout challenge. I'm screen recording, and in this video, I decided I can talk about the stock MULN. I didn't trade it, but I can talk about how I would trade it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the chart now. Let's see, am I still connected? Okay. So MULN is a multi-day runner. It started to bounce after this long downtrend with high volume on the 19th. And then let's go to the 15-minute chart. So on oh, I can't go back more. Okay, let me actually go on the hour chart. Okay. So on Wednesday was the big bounce day, and then on Thursday it gapped up and then it started going back down. But 32 was the low and it held the support here around 37. And this was like an exact double bottom at 31 cents. Okay, so it held support, and then the next day when market opened, it went down a little bit and it still held that $32 support. So here we have like 3 days of it holding support. So you have multi-day support. So on this day, I was thinking like I can buy around 35 cents and then risk like 3 cents. And then I can possibly make around 10 cents here from the high of day. So that was a good risk reward ratio. But the reason why I didn't buy on Friday or Thursday is because I took a look at the SEC files. So I normally go to OTC markets to scan for the SEC files. You can use other websites like sec.gov. So let me type the ticker here. And then I scroll down to disclosure. And I scroll down here to the SEC filing. Now you can see the 424B 4 form. That's like an offering. So it was issued on or here it's on the 20th. So if I open it up, I see here that they can, this is an offering for up to 900 million shares of common stock. So even though this stock is very liquid and trading a lot of volume, this kind of big offering can affect the price. So that's why I was afraid of buying and holding overnight. I wanted to wait like at least until then 900 million volume is traded after this day here. And then if it's still uptrending, I can say, okay, maybe the volume here is overwhelming the offering. And then I can buy. So if I go on the daily chart, so on the 20th was when I saw the offering. And so the 21, if I add the volume, like the day's volume, it's like about 200 million. And then here, that's like 500 million. So that's about 700 million. And then on this day, traded around 400 million. So now I can say about 1 billion volume has been traded. So that overwhelms the offering. And so now I could start to see after, or today, I could have, traded and said, okay, it's holding most of the gains. And then here, support here is holding nice around 45 and 40, the low around 45. So I could have bought here today. And it kind of did like a similar thing here. It held, the multi-day support here. So today I could have bought the little morning panic around 48. And then I could have risked like 47 or even like 46. So maybe if I bought around like 48, 49, could have risked maybe like 2, 3 cents. And then here for the potential reward, it's up here, I would say the high right here. So I could have risked like 3 cents to make about 15 cents. So this is a good risk reward ratio. And then today, if I did buy around here, I could have been still holding, and then now it's looking like it might repeat that same pattern here where it held multi-day support and then it might break out. But, I would have maybe still taken a small offering, a small position, because still worried about that offering, because sometimes it can, announce the next day some offering and then they kind of warned you that they would in the SEC filing. But here I could still make the case that okay, the volume kind of overwhelms the offering, it's still uptrending. So yeah, today I could have bought here then and then swung it overnight, and it may possibly continue the uptrend into breakout. So that's how I would have played this stock. Okay, that's the end of the video now. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.